video is also about fashion. It's all about the 9 fashion mistakes that are ruining your style and how to fix them. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing is those hangy loop things that are already in our dresses and some tops जिनमें उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती. I'll show you. Like this dress. This dress has these loops and it's useless. It's completely useless because I can hang this dress in any hanger like this very easily and it's not falling. And these are required only if it's off shoulder, it's one off shoulder, it's tube or something like that. But in this dress, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this is completely ruining my style because it comes out anywhere, anytime, and it looks so ganda, it looks so bad. So yes, this is the first thing. Okay, so the next thing is weird cutoffs or holes. Okay, a cute little rip is really nice, it looks really nice, but what is this thing about huge holes in the back of the tops or in jeans and everything? It just ruins your style. It just ruins your style. It doesn't look good. It looks really tacky, and yes, it weird cutoffs, and that is like, I don't understand that fashion. And because it's like attacked by some vulture or something, it looks like that truly, and it doesn't look good. So do not wear them. Do not wear them. Wear simple clothes. A cute little rip is also nice, but I personally don't go for rips. I don't think I have any ripped jeans or anything. But yes, don't go for rips, huge rips. Don't go for huge rips or weird holes in clothes. Okay, so the next one is clear bra straps. Okay, they are actually not clear. They look really bad when it shows. It looks really bad and it attracts a lot of attention, which is not good. I mean, getting attention is good, it's not bad, but attention because of that is not good. I mean, clear straps is so out of trend, it's so out of fashion. Go for tube or go for there are many things that are available in the market, and go for that. Don't go for clear straps because they are actually not clear. Okay, so the next one is focusing on the smallest size. Okay, so there are few people out there that go for the smallest size just to make them just to make themselves happy that I fit in that, but it doesn't look good if it's like too tight. So go for the size that that are you comfortable in, that is your size, and go for the size according to the look you want from that particular piece. I do have I generally wear XS, and yes, I have a shirt that is, I don't know, L or XL. It's a Georgette shirt, and yes, it's very loose and baggy, and I really like it that way. So I I don't mind buying a large or an XL t-shirt or a shirt if I want it to look that way, if I want it baggy and loose, and if I like it that way. So yes, don't focus on the smallest size. Focus on the size that you are, and focus on the size that according to what you want that piece of clothing to look on you, whether it be baggy, whether it be normal or something like that, anything. But just don't focus on the smallest size, because you won't look good in that as much as you would look good in your own size. Okay, so the next is that this is me. I make this fashion mistake a lot, that is not showing any skin. Okay, in winters I am like मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. सो आई एम लाइक ये भी पहन लो, वो भी पहन लो, एंड आई हेट वेयरिंग लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स, बट आई हैव टू बिकॉज मुझे ठंड बहुत लगती है. सो येस, इन विंटर्स देयर इज only my face and my hands are visible. These itna if I go out. Itna only is visible. Uske alawa I cover my neck, I cover, you know, I'm whole covered, and you know, showing a lot of skin also doesn't look good, and not showing any skin also doesn't look good. So there should be like, you know, mix and match. Like for now, like now I am, you know, my arms are showing a little bit, and yeah, I think I'm fine now, because a little bit of skin is showing and I'm not showing too much, and I'm not feeling cold as well. So yes, not showing any skin at all also doesn't look good. If you're all covered from the top, go for, you know, boots that are, you know, show a little bit of your ankles, folding your jeans and wearing low boots and something like that. You know, fashion hacks, these are all fashion hacks. So yes, try some fashion hacks and yes, you'll be good. Okay, next is going for black footwear with neutrals. Okay, so black footwear are really very vulnerable. You can wear them with any color, and that's why people tend to buy more of black than any other color, because they go well with everything. But if you're going for all neutrals from top to bottom, go for neutral shoes. Like if you're going for, you know, a beige top and beige pants or white pants, don't go for you know, black footwear, because it won't look good. It'll be very mismatched and it won't look good. Go for you know, a dull gold or a beige or something like that, maybe brown, white, maybe something like that, you know, a light tone neutral footwear, and not black, because it will not look nice. So yes, and this is a problem with me also, because anywhere I go I tend to wear my you know, black footwear, and yes, I do feel like कि कोई और पहन लूँ, but I'm like छोड़ो यार, यहीं तक तो जाना है. So yes, that is a problem with me too, but yes, I have to change. These are a lot of things, there are a lot of things that, you know, I have to improve in me, because obviously nobody's perfect, and yes, so this is one of them. Okay, so the next is going overboard. Going overboard with accessories, colors, prints, or anything. It doesn't look good. Everything has to be balanced. Everything has to be balanced. Even accessories, you know, wearing a lot of accessories, it doesn't look good. मतलब ऐसा लगता है too much is going on. Or if your one outfit has a lot of, you know, pops of colors, then also it doesn't look good. You know, go for 1 or 2 colors, maximum 3, but don't go overboard. You know, 3 colors. I have tried wearing 3 colors and I thought it wasn't looking bad. Red, black and blue. Red sweater, black jacket and blue jeans and black boots. So yes, I don't think that was looking bad either. But you know, you have to go for, you know, combinations. Like if you go for, like if you go for that combinations which are, you know, very poppy and, you know, like yellow, green and orange, then it is like too much going on, or maybe more than that. But yes, so go for neutrals. Go for, if you're mixing, go for neutrals, go for the classic color combinations. And for that I do have one video that are the color combinations that always look classic, so go and watch it if you want. And yes, so this is the, you know, fine, that don't go overboard with anything. If you have like so many prints going on, I like, some people like print on print, but I personally don't like prints on print. It feels like too heavy, it feels like too busy, and yes, I don't like it going for, you know, print over print. So yes, I feel that don't go overboard with anything, either colors, either accessories or prints or anything for that matter. Don't go for anything overboard. Yes. Okay, so the next one is buying heels that you're not comfortable in. Okay, so heels is a very, you know, tricky thing, kind of, because everybody cannot carry heels, and yes, some people carry it on a daily basis, some people cannot carry it at all. So yes, if you're buying heels that you know, you're not comfortable in, then don't buy them. Don't buy them, because if you're not comfortable in walking them, you would look good because you're wearing heels, but you will look bad at the same time because you can't walk, right? So your body posture, everything will get ruined if, you know, you cannot walk in it properly if you're not comfortable in them. So yes, go for the heels that you're comfortable in, maybe small ones, maybe the platform ones or the block heels or anything like that, but don't go for the ones that you're not comfortable in. Just because they're beautiful doesn't mean that they're comfortable, and comfortable for you especially. So yes, don't go with heels that you are not comfortable in. Go for the heels that you're comfortable in, and if you're not comfortable in heels, don't wear them. Go for flats. Flats look really nice. In fact, I do wear flats a lot. Earlier, when I was in you know, school and college, I was a big junkie for heels. Even I am also, I mean, a baby, I love heels. So yes, but I go for flats more than heels now, because yes, flats you can wear anywhere, and you can carry flats for the whole day. They're more comfortable and everything, all of that. And heels, they look beautiful, they're pretty, everything. They make you look confident in everything, but if you're not comfortable, why do that? You won't look confident if you're, you know, not comfortable in them. So go for the flats, go for the comfortable ones, and yes, and you'll be perfect. Okay, so the next one is wearing shoes that are worn out. Okay, so I am a very lazy person, and I have these white pair of shoes that are not actually worn out, but they're very dirty, but still I wear them like that only. I'm very lazy to even ask my mom ki please wash them, or to maybe clean them by myself. I am too lazy to do that, so I wear them less, but I wear them like this only. मैं ऐसे ही पहन लेती हूँ, but I am too lazy to wash them. But I am really bad at this. I always think कि करना है, but then I don't. So don't be like me and wear the shoes that are, you know, not new, but you can wear old shoes, but not the shoes that are worn out, fate हुए or something like that. So don't go for those shoes, and yes, wear the clean ones and nice ones. Don't be like me. So yes, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any more fashion mistakes that I have missed out, or you know, if you have any ideas, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll read them out and I'll reply to you. So thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And do follow me on my Instagram. I post some really different content over there. So go and follow. Yes. So see you. Bye.